delicious ice cream recipe. Ingredients: milk 2 cup, sugar a half cup, Oreo biscuit 2 packets, cocoa powder 1.5 spoon, whipped cream a half cup, choco chips some. Recipe: keep the pan on the flame and put some milk and sugar and boil it. Take some Oreo biscuits and grind them in the mixer jar. Then take some milk in a glass. Put ground Oreo biscuit powder, some cocoa powder and mix it well by the whisker and make it lumps-free. When the milk starts boiling, then put biscuit milk in it by filtering it. Stir it continuously and make it thick. Then turn off the flame. Keep it for cooling down at room temperature. Then keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. After then, take a mixer jar and put whipped cream in it and grind it once. Then put chilled chocolate mixture in it. And grind well. Transfer the ice cream mixture into the ice cream dish or mold and sprinkle some choco chips on it. Cover it with a silver foil and freeze it for a half set. Finally, take out the ice cream from the freezer and decorate with a half-cut Oreo biscuit. Cover it and let it be set in the freeze overnight. At last, serve the tasty ice cream and garnish with some choco chips, chocolate syrup and Oreo biscuit, and enjoy the creamy and tasty chocolate ice cream. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more delicious content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the sweetest treats and mouth-watering recipes. Stay tuned for more.